Hey, good morning. It's about 5:56 in the morning, so I'm trying to get this done. I should have had this done a couple of days ago, so I apologize. So let me get over to how to blog. So it's a wonderful software that's out there. It's for free. It's a lot of people that are using this right now. I know it's got to be in the hundreds of thousands of people that are using it. So it's WordPress.com. So we're going to go ahead and click on that here. And as you can tell, we've made it over to http semicolon / wordpress.com, and you can see here that's the logo and wordpress.com. And then as you can see, if you navigate over there, you've got express yourself, start a blog, right? And you can see here, I think it's Sandra Bullock or something like that. So you can see there's other people that have blogs that are already kind of going out there. So it's extremely popular. A lot of celebrities use it. A lot of young people use it. You've got 291,000 people that are, I guess, using it right now that are freshly pressed. So these are fresh blogs that are out there right now. And there's 373,000 new posts, and the AdWords is over 68 million. So it's a lot of traffic happening out here on WordPress. So we're going to go to sign up now, and I'll go into this in more detail in the workshop. But I have multiple web pages, so therefore I've got to kind of use different aliases when I go into the username and password. So I'm going to launch a new website, which is going to be a training website, kind of promoting the workshops going forward at DeVry. So I'm going to put my name in here, Claude, and we're going to go. I'm going to go Claude 21. Actually, we're going to go Claude 3337. That's a code that I use. And then we're going to, and it must be 4 characters, letters, and numbers only. So I can't put in like an asterisk or a number sign or anything like that. Must be at least 4 characters, letters, and numbers only. So password, this is the one that I use at all times. Should be good enough for me to use again. And then the email address, now you can't use the same email address here. So if you have an email address and you set up one web page and then you want to set up another one, which I guarantee you'll want to do this, then you're going to have to go to yahoo.com and set up some or Gmail or what have you. So I went to Yahoo and I set this one up. My internet education 17 at yahoo.com, and then I agree. I've already read through all the terms and conditions. You can do that at your own leisure. And give me a blog. So let's go next and sign up. And it says check your email to complete the registration. So what's going to happen is they're going to send an email over to myinterneteducation17 at yahoo.com. So I'm going to pause this for a second, and I'm going to go over there so we can see it. Okay, I'm here in my Yahoo mail. And one of the things you definitely want to pay attention to is, I mean, you can tell this is a brand new account that I set up because I've only got one email in here, and that email is to my internet education 17 at yahoo.com. Now, what happens a lot of times with WordPress is you won't see that email. It's a self-generated email coming in your inbox. It's normally coming into your spam folder because you haven't really had a lot of activity with WordPress in this new email account. So whenever you get multiple web pages, you'll see this happen. So you'll go to the spam folder. You'll click here to open it up. Howdy, thank you for signing up with WordPress.com. You're one step away from blogging at claude3337.wordpress.com. So I've got to click here, and then what that's going to do is take me over to WordPress, and it says your account is now active. So I'm good to go as far as WordPress is concerned. So the next step is we want to definitely make sure that we can start getting into WordPress and start to do some things in regards to setting up WordPress for our blog. So I'm going to pause and show you the next step. Okay, actually I should have just kept going. So within WordPress.com, it says your account is now active. You should be looking at that screen now. Once you see that, you're going to go ahead and you can either view your site or log in. So let's go ahead and log in. So I'm going to put in the username, which is Claude3337, and then my passwords are always the same. And I would suggest you do that too to keep it simple. And as you can tell here, I'm in Claude3337's blog. Okay, and I have one page that's here. So let's look at that puppy, which is an about page, and I can go over to different things. For example, I can go to appearance, and I can go to themes, and I can actually check out different themes that are out there for the blog. So I can go down and I can pick this theme here. Let's look at what this puppy looks like. So I could, change the pictures up, hello world, and I can start adding information here in regards to this theme. So let's go here. And I'm going to actually give you a theme at the workshop. It's a multi-use theme that you can use on multiple web pages, and it's pretty nice. You can actually customize it and change your header and things of that sort up. So let's go ahead just to activate this one just to see kind of what it looks like. So now you can tell that this theme here is active, and it's outlined by Chris Pearson, and I can visit my site by going here or either one, and boom, there's my information out there now. So if I want to now start to play around with it, and I'm not going to go too deep on this because I don't have a lot of time with YouTube, but if I want to play around with the header, I can go in here and upload pictures. So my pictures, and I'll show you how to store your pictures, but my pictures I store them in a thing called Photo Boost. So let's say I want to go in here and I want to use see, I'm going to use the DeVry logo here. Then let me open that up. I think I hit the wrong button, so I apologize. Go back to it one more time, hit that, and let's come back over here and hit open instead of cancel. And then what I want to do is upload, and there it goes. So